Hey guys, welcome back. And yep, we're back at the waterfall trail. And I'm really excited about today because I got one of my favourite trucks out. And yeah, it's going to be its first time ever out on the trail. The B24KM. Really happy with how it went together. And as any of you know, any of you guys watch the channel, that this is my favourite WPL rig. And yes, it's the KM version, so I'm really excited. You've got metal axle housings, metal ring and pinion gears in there, metal CVD joints at the front for steering, as you can see, metal linkages. We come around, then we got metal drive shafts underneath. I don't know if you can see those. There we go. Dual speed motor, 370. And yes, everything's on ball bearings. We've also got a set of soft kit tyres and wheel weights for the electronics. I was scratching my head for a while with the electronics. It was quite a tight fit. I really wanted to run this with a Res 3. So where the battery goes, let me try and show you guys that. That's where I've installed the Res 3. And I've run a little cable, cut a little hole in the bed. And yeah, that pretty much leaves you limitless to what size battery you can get in there. So I got a 1200 milliamp in it at the moment, but yeah, you can get a lot bigger. And then these boxes are really cool. I've also got little spare parts also in that box, spare leaves and whatnot. So yeah, these boxes are actually functional, and we're transporting some tyres to a customer, a vintage Honda, and also, most important of all, we're delivering some WPLs. So yeah, let's get on the trail. Really excited. This thing actually weighs quite a bit. I'm going to take it really slow and steady today, guys. I think, the camera doesn't show how steep some of the inclines are on this trail. But I think maybe the weight, the overall weight is going to be against it, but so far so good. Looks like we're going to get the delivery in on time. Let's take this left-hand line and try and swoop back in. See lots of weight there. Try another approach. This is somewhere where you don't want to be stuck. Let's try and jump up this rock. Nope, I'm not having it. Lots of weight means lots of slipping in this slippery terrain. My Toyota, nice and lightweight, flew up section 1. Let's bring it back slowly and we'll try and take the right hand lane here, guys. Doesn't look like it's going to topple at all. Those wheel weights are keeping this truck really stable. And there's a really nice sense of control at the Res 3. That didn't feel as terrifying as it should have. Come on, just bump up back, right? Up that rock and we're up. Yes. Come on, my little guys. To the top. And section 1 is complete. Okay guys, on to section 2. And yeah, I feel a bit anxious. There's quite a big drop to the right. Yeah, my truck's pretty far away. Come on guys. Really nice little trail here up the side of the mountain. Just take my time. Those wheel weights should keep everything nice and balanced. Nearly slid down there. Woo-hoo-hoo. Onto the steepest section of part 2 here of the trail, section 2. Those V1 kit tyres. Yes, plenty of traction. Keep it nice and slow. Let's see if we can just chug our way up. Come on, B. Nicely done. Onto section 3. Start section 3 now. It's a really slippery incline. And yeah, this whole section is uphill when we go this direction. Yeah, those tyres are doing a really good job today. As I say that, we get stuck on a tree. But the wheel speed never anywhere in certain occasions. Come on, to the top, B. It's like a bus, it's just chugging along. Oh, slipped on a rock, slipped on a rock, take my time. There we go, up she goes. And the last part of section 3. Pretty slippery, loose uphill. This is the trickier way. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Popping wheels there. That's a shot. Right, let's bring it back. Let's take the easy line on the left. Line it up. There we go. Come on, B24. There we go. And up she gets. You can really, really sense the weight behind this truck. And there you have it, guys. The B24 has pretty much made it to the top. The rest is technically downhill from here. Really impressed. The V3 is handling all that weight extremely well. I am finding it a little trickier, the added weight, not going to lie. But it is overall more stable. It doesn't feel like it's going to topple, but yeah, there's a lot more weight to chug up that hill. So yeah, so far, really, really impressed. So on to section 4, section 5, back to start, guys. And yeah. Oh! Ollie-bush just had me on the bum. So guys, section 4. I don't know if you watched my Toyota video from Sunday. I'll pull up in the corner for you guys. We have 2 routes. We've got a really steep climb there. Tricky climb up the right hand side of that tree and down. We've got a more subtle route. Across the top here. Splendid views with the waterfall. If I was to build a hotel, it'll probably be up there on the corner somewhere. So yeah, nice and gentle across the top with a nice steep swooping trail down onto section 5 in the finish. Okay guys, here's how it's going to roll. Heads, tricky. Tails for whales, never fails. We'll take the easy route. Here it goes. Let's go hit it, throw it up and let it hit the floor. Tails for whales, never fails. Let's take the easy route, guys. Bottle cap has spoken. We are taking the easy route. Still, nevertheless, we'll take the time. Massive drop on the right. Really tricky bit of uneven terrain there. Got a rock kicking me over. There we go, nice and easy. Oh, rock kicked me over. You see how the control of that Res 3 just helps me wiggle my way out of this tricky situation. Nice bit of tyre pop there from the guys. And through she goes. We'll call this the 8470. Oh, what a hit. What a hit. I didn't see nothing. Little stick. Well, in the scale world, that's a tree. My bad. Head on down. Really steep. So we're going to see how this Res 3 in first gear with the dual speed hangs on. So yeah, really nice. When I stop, it stops, and I'm just tapping the throttle ever so slightly, and it's yeah, it's just keeping its res. Really nice. Got that active decline control going on there. Really controlled on the descents. It's really hard to describe, guys. It's really weird as well. That control, that is back wheel popping up there, guys. Slow and steady, bring her down. Awesome. So here we are, the steep decline, nearly at the finish. And yeah, as I said, just going to tap the throttle ever so slightly. I'm going to let the Res 3 do the work. This is really nice. See how controlled that is down the. This is a pleasure, guys. So controlled. Sorry if this video is long, guys. It's because the V3 is taking so long to get down the hills. But yeah, I'm really enjoying just how controlled it is actually. Just rolling down the hill. If I was to put this in second gear now, guys, this would just roll, yeah, uncontrollably. You'd have to tap reverse, but yeah. Highly recommend a set of these electronics, guys. So controlled. I think I'm going to get a Res 3 and put it in a nice lightweight kit. I'm going to see how that runs, because yeah, I found it pretty tricky today, guys. Chugging all this weight around this pretty tricky course. Nevertheless, Dad's got there. So there you have it, guys. Really impressed. Made it round. Yeah, there's a couple of hiccups, but yeah, as I said, lots of weight to chug up. But yeah, it also feels like an achievement that, yeah, I managed to chug that weight all the way around. Also a nice achievement building the KM kit as well, running nice and smooth. So yeah, guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.